Welcome to the Business Law Vault, where we dive deep into the legal battles and power plays that shape the world of business. Today, we're tackling a controversy that's rocking big tech, corporate donations, political influence, and the law. At the center of it all? Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, and a letter from U.S. Senators Elizabeth Warren and Michael Bennet, demanding answers about $1 million in donations to Donald Trump's inaugural fund. Let's break it all down. In the aftermath of the 2024 election, a pattern of political donations from big tech executives to Trump's inaugural fund has raised serious questions. Among the donors is Sam Altman, a name synonymous with cutting-edge technology and artificial intelligence. The senator's letter accuses Altman and other tech leaders of leveraging massive donations to curry favor with the incoming administration. But this isn't just about politics. It's about power, influence, and the potential legal implications. According to the letter, OpenAI and other companies, including Amazon, Google, Meta, and Uber, contributed $1 million each to the fund. The timing? Suspicious. The intent? Under scrutiny. And here's where it gets tricky. Many of these companies are under investigation for antitrust violations, unfair labor practices, and other regulatory issues. The senators didn't hold back in their letter. They posed 5 pointed questions to Sam Altman. When and under what circumstances were these donations decided? What's the rationale behind these contributions? Who within the company made the decision to donate? Did OpenAI's board approve this move, and were shareholders informed? And most importantly, were there communications between OpenAI officials and Trump's transition team about these donations? If the answers to these questions suggest any impropriety, the legal consequences could be significant. Failure to disclose such information to shareholders, for instance, could lead to lawsuits, and any backdoor dealings with the administration could open up allegations of corruption or influence peddling. Let's zoom out for a moment. This isn't just about Sam Altman or OpenAI. It's about the growing tension between big tech and government regulators. Companies like Amazon and Google are already facing federal scrutiny for monopolistic practices. Meta is under investigation for privacy violations, and OpenAI is being probed by the FTC for consumer harm. The letter highlights this pattern. Donations to Trump's inaugural fund coming from companies actively battling regulatory investigations. The concern is that these donations might buy leniency or favorable rulings from a friendly administration. Is this an example of companies playing the game? Or is it a dangerous overreach of corporate influence? Beyond the legal questions, there's an ethical debate at play. Should companies be allowed to donate such large sums to political funds, especially when they're under investigation? Critics argue it undermines the integrity of the regulatory system, while proponents claim it's a legitimate form of political expression. The issue isn't just the donation itself. It's the lack of transparency. If these contributions are tied to ongoing investigations, it sets a dangerous precedent for corporate accountability. So, what can we learn from this as business leaders and entrepreneurs? Here are 3 key takeaways. Transparency is critical. If you're making high-stakes decisions, ensure they're well documented and disclosed to all stakeholders. Understand the legal risks. Political contributions can have unintended consequences, especially if they coincide with regulatory scrutiny. Think long-term. Short-term gains from political influence can lead to long-term reputational damage and legal challenges. What do you think? Are these donations a smart business move or a dangerous gamble? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth legal analysis. Thanks for watching the Business Law Vault, where we unlock the secrets of business law, one case at a time. See you in the next video.